Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by logging into SBI Internet Banking. Enter your user ID and password, then complete any OTP verification. This confirms your identity. Once done, navigate to the Profile section and select Update Contact Details. You do this now because transactions depend on a verified mobile. Make sure the mobile you plan to add is with you. The bank sends OTPs to that number. If you prefer YONO or SBI Anywhere, the first steps are similar. Authenticate, then open the Contact Update option. You will now enter both your current and new mobile numbers where prompted. The system often sends an OTP to the old number first. This prevents unauthorized changes. After that, the bank sends a second OTP to the new number for verification. Input each OTP carefully and press Confirm. If the screen requests a branch approval or in-person confirmation, note the reference ID and scheduled steps. This happens when additional verification is required. Keep your ATM PIN or debit details handy for any secondary checks. You finish by saving the confirmation reference and checking the updated mobile in your profile, then log out. Changes may apply immediately or within 24-48 hours if branch approval was needed, so make a note to test login and OTP receipt. If OTPs do not arrive, first re-request after 60 seconds and check network or DND settings. If problems persist, call the branch or SBI customer care with your reference ID. They can trace the request and advise next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.